Next time now.
Where is Mr. Pius? Where did you get my car?
Wow. Listen, okay? I do not believe in random coincidences, but the fact that your hair is matching my shirt has to be a message from God. My name is Bobby. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Tami.
Listen, Tami, I know you might be married or you might have a boyfriend, but if you were my girlfriend, all the money that I have, and I have a lot, I will spend it on you. Come on. Give me your number now. Let me at least, get to know you.
No, I don't think so.
Listen, okay. Don't give me your number. Just give me your account number. Let me appreciate your beauty.
My account number?
Yeah. Ask about me now, Bobby. They know me. What are you saying?
Look.
Hey. Okay?
Well...
Don't think about it too much. Thinking always spoils the soup. What's your number?
08.
You know what? Just type yours.
Okay.
Thank you. Hey, let me find this one. Take care, okay?
Here.
All right. Angel, look at you. Fresh fish. I'll call you.
Okay. Bye.